guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I made this gorgeous candle set holder with the matching flower bowl. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love how this turned out. I'm going to show you what I used to make it, so let's get started. A lot of this stuff I made with Dollar Tree products and from my dollar store. So I'm going to tell you very quickly what I'm going to use. I will be using these two bowls or vases, small vases. I'm going to be using the Dollar Tree candlestick holders. I'm going to use those. And I got that from my dollar store. I'm going to be using the mesh bling wrap. I'm going to use that. You can get that from Michael's. You can get that from the Dollar Tree. I got mine from Michael's. I'm also going to be using the flowered mesh wrap also. And I got this from Amazon. So I'm going to be using that. I'm going to be using this pink glitter, or it's more like a fuchsia colored glitter. I'm going to use that. My sponge brush. I'm going to be using my Mod Podge, my scissors, and my thread snippers. I'm going to be using that to snip off any threads that are visible from the diamond mesh wrap. So also I'm going to be using my hot glue gun. I'm going to be using that. And I'm going to be using some Gorilla Glue bonding glue. I'm going to be using that today. This is really strong. I've been testing this. I really can't use the E6000 that much, guys, because it gives me headaches. It's, I guess, the fumes. So I'm trying something different. So I'm going to be using that. So let's get started. So right now I'm just cleaning off everything with a little bit of alcohol and a clean paper towel. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little Mod Podge around the neck of the candlestick holder. Just a little bit. I'm going to get that around in there, and then I'm going to sprinkle some of that pink glitter on it. But before I do that, I gotta clean up, because I really want the glitter just along the neck of the candlestick holder. So I'm just cleaning any extra glue that's going below the area. And then next I'm just going to start layering the pink glitter on it. I'm just sprinkling a little at a time. I don't want to put too much on. I just want to layer it on. So I figured it was better to use a small paintbrush, so I'm going to be using that. So I'm going back in, I'm painting the area, and now I'm going to sprinkle the glitter on, which came out really nice. That's what that looks like, and I did that to the other candlestick holder. So right now I'm just cutting the diamond mesh into single strips, because I'm going to be putting that around the bowls of the candlestick, for the candlestick holders. So I'm just going to take my hot glue gun and I'm just going to glue all that right around the very edge of the bowl. And I'm just doing the next one. I did this to both bowls. So this is what the candlestick holders look like. They're completely dry. And what I'm going to do is go back in with a little bit of Mod Podge, and I'm just going to seal that glitter into place so that it doesn't flake off. And I did that to both candlestick holders. So right now I'm adding a single row of the diamond flowered mesh around the bowl. And I'm using my silicone fingers. I didn't mention that in the beginning of the video. I'm using that to prevent any burns from the hot glue gun, or from the hot glue rather. So right now I'm going to be adding a couple of the single mesh flowers to create a design on the bowl so that the bowl can just look extra bling. So I just created that little pattern right there. That's going to come out really nice. And I did that to the other bowl. Now what I'm doing now, guys, I'm adding a little bit of Mod Podge with a Q-tip. I'm adding Mod Podge into the little opening or the circle center of the diamond mesh, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of that pink glitter just to give it the look of a gemstone inside. I was going to use my pink gems, but the color is a little off. It's a little light pink and it didn't match, so I thought this would be a better match. And this actually came out really nice. You guys will see as I keep doing it. Just add a little bit of Mod Podge to the center and the glitter. Just stick the glitter in and then just brush away any glitter that's on the outside of the diamond mesh, and then just brush it away and then let it dry. And that's what that looks like. So I did that twice to both of the little flower mesh on both bowls. Right now it's completely dry and I'm just brushing away any loose glitter. So right now I'm going to be using the Gorilla Super Glue. I'm going to use that to attach the bowl to the candlestick holder. And this works really well, guys. All I have to use is just a single drop, just a tiny drop, and the bowl will adhere immediately and then cure over 12 to 24 hours. So right now I applied the glue, and now I'm just lining up the bowl with the candlestick holder so that the designs are falling directly under each other or on top of each other, just to get it perfectly aligned. And guys, the Gorilla Glue worked really well. I did another project using the Gorilla Glue, gluing glass to glass, and it worked extremely well. So right now I'm going to add a little bit of weight. That's just some change inside of a tall jar, small jar. I just put that inside just to weight it down so that it can stick and cure. So right now I'm going to take my flowered bowl. I'm going to start decorating that. I'm going to use a single roll of the mesh wrap. I'm going to wrap it completely around the bowl. So now I'm adding the diamond mesh wrap, and I already decorated two of the single mesh with the glitter. I already did that already, so I did that earlier, so that was drying. Now I'm going to add those pieces directly to the bowl. I'm adding two. Look how nice that looks, really nice. And I added the second one directly under. I wanted this set to match, and so I think it looks really pretty. I really like the way it came out. Looks so pretty. So right now I'm going to take these lavender, pinky, purple colored roses, and I'm going to just add that to the bowl, just to give the bowl the beautiful flowered bowl look. Just to give it a beautiful look. So I took my flowers apart and I started cutting them a little bit, and now I'm taking that floral foam, adding a little bit of the hot glue to it, and I'm just going to attach it to the bowl. I was looking around for my moss. I couldn't find my moss to add on top, but if you're going to do the bowl, do something that looks like this, don't forget to add your greenery to fill in the bottom so that you can't see your floral foam. But other than that, this came out really great. This came out so pretty. So I'll be taking my mom to Michael's with me on Monday, so I guess I can pick up any fillers that I need. She's never been to Michael's before, so I hope she has a good time. We're going to shop and have a good time and just pick up, I need to pick up some more crafting items. And she's going to look at the flowers. But guys, this came out really nice. Look how pretty this looks. Beautiful set. Here it goes right here. This is so nice. I absolutely love the way it came out. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. I do appreciate it. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Take care of yourselves. God bless. And I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.